welcome back to part 3. So in the first part, we charged them, we waited for 20 minutes. Part 2, we tested and we bumped it a lot of times while we were playing with it. Part 3, outside! Look at the view!
The view. So if you saw in part 2, we said we were gonna go outside, so we are outside. Okay, Manny, can you hold the camera?
Yeah, so this is the charger.
Yeah, so
Well, not the charger, so.
Okay, ready?
So that's the helicopter.
Okay, I
And
don't
this
want
is
you
the
getting
charger.
Yeah, we don't want
So I'm gonna
hurt. No one gets hurt.
Okay, so I'm gonna be right here. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
What? Is this stuck to the
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
I think it is.
Oh yeah!
Whoa!
Wait, baby!
Oh,
Awesome.
I fell in there with this.
Okay.
Look at the big tree.
My brother's turn. Let's do this, Manny.
I know that sounds wrong, but okay.
Oh, Manny! You almost hurt me, son.
No, please don't do that. Please don't do that.
There's a kid who got his head chopped off because he was playing with that. Ready, set, go. Oh, go close, more closer.
Yeah, there's a little service thing.
Yeah, the sensor. So.
Sensor.
What happened? Oh.
Oh, my mom's here. She came from the
Yeah, my mom's here.
Let's go.
Let's go chase with her. Yeah, come on.
That's not my mom.
Yeah. Oh, she's turning around, right? She's turning around?
Huh?
Oh, no. Yeah. That's my mom. Okay, she's gonna say hi. Watch. Wait, where's she?
What?
Say hi. Hi, Ma! Hi, Ma! Go, let's chase her! Wait, Ma, stop! Manny, fly the airplane! Fly it!
Yeah. So I'm gonna fly the airplane.
My mom's gonna watch us. Close, go closer.
Okay,
No, Manny, you have to go close to it so I can, like, actually fly.
That's fun.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, that's the
Okay, wait, try to move the sensor. Like, go.
Sorry.
Go. Make it fly. Go, let it go. Oh, gosh. Okay, that's all. That's all what we have for today. So,
Hit my finger a little.
so,
But I'm okay.
wait, I'm gonna go. Come on, let's say hi to my mom.
Yeah, I'll bring the airplane with me.
Okay, come on, let's run.
Helicopter.
Let's run. She's right there. Ma, say hi. Just someone there. Someone there. She's right there. Wait.